Let's apply pure tongue oil to walnut veneer. At this moment, this is the third coat I'm applying. I like to sand between each coat lightly and just remove the sanding dust with a tack cloth. Then apply a thin layer of the tongue oil to the walnut veneer. Work with the grain. And this is where the secret happens. I like to sand using 320p sanding paper with the grain, working for a few moments, or I should say actually a few minutes, to get the tongue oil into the wood grain. You can see that the sanding dust creates a bit of a slurry, and it colors the tongue oil a little browner. And then afterwards, I will take a plastic scraper, remove the slurry paste, which has now been on the walnut veneer here. And after that has all been removed, you can then take a clean, dry, white cotton cloth and wipe down the surface a final time. All in all, the tongue oil should only sit for the recommended time of about 30 minutes in this case. And then you will see it's fully dry, the wood pores are filled, and the final result is quite spectacular, I must say, compared to some of the other oils I've been testing.